Hey, come on in. I'm Dr. Leah Meadows, and I want to give you a private tour of the premier health and wellness center on the Seattle East Side. It's Energize Chiropractic and Wellness. So let's go this way. This is our adjusting center. This is literally the hub of the clinic. We've got all of our adjusting tables, we've got our therapy equipment, we've got our traction, and this we call the hub because around the outside here, we have all of our private exam rooms. We have our massage rooms, we have our x-ray, our digital motion x-ray, and then right this way, this area is so cool. These are our spinal decompression machines. Spinal decompression is for patients that have chronic pain, haven't been helped anywhere else, and have disc issues. So follow me. This area, Hall of Fame right here, favorite patient testimonials, and then right this way, we've got our supplement station. It's for individualized supplementation. So we can help you with inflammation. We can help you with gut issues. Maybe you're having brain fog. Whatever it is, it's personalized. And I just want to remind you that if you have any concerns and you want to learn more about Energize Chiropractic and Wellness, follow us on Facebook at Energize Chiropractic and Wellness or find us at energizechiro.com. Looking forward to meeting you soon. Bye-bye.